Hey guys, what is up? It's Teddy here, and today I'll teach you guys a footwork thread combinations that consist of 4 steps. Alright, so without any further ado, let's start the tutorial. Alright, so the first steps, we're gonna put our right leg onto our left leg like this. Alright, normal hook. Now, second steps, our right leg is gonna go to the back of our left leg. Alright. Now for the third step, our left leg is gonna go up to the top of our right knee. Okay, so like this. Now you see when I'm doing this, I make sure that I pull the back downward so that I can get the flow and I can feel better when I'm doing this move. Alright, it looks more natural. So again, remember, to the third step, bring your butt down and then put your left leg on top of your right knee. Now the last step is we're gonna turn. Alright, turn one round and we're gonna do a thread. Okay, so I'll show you guys one more time. On this third step, we're gonna put our left leg down, turn, and then thread. So now let's combine all the moves together and see how the flow looks. There you go, the footwork thread combinations. Very simple, just consists of 4 steps, but make sure you do your best on each step, alright? We don't want to look sloppy on either step. Okay, practice, take some time. That's about it, and we'll see you guys on the next one.